Guys, let's talk about how to make money from online. Nowadays, everything, the pandemic situation is happening everywhere in the world. So, for that reason, everyone right now sitting on the home and work from home situation is going on day by day until unless the pandemic situation will be overcome. So, today's topic, everything is about how to money, how to make money from online, from authentic online source. And guys, I will give you some website, some link, some organization, the authentic organization. If you can wish, then you will earn money, lot of money. So guys, stay with us, do subscribe it. Hi everyone, welcome to Showing the Torko exclusive. Let's get started. So guys, today I am talking to very important topic regarding how to make money from online. Nowadays, everywhere the pandemic situation is going on, and no one can know uh, when the situation will be demolished totally. No one can know. So that's why everyone try to do something so that they can earn from online. And I will give you some authentic source of income from online. So now I will directly instruct on screen. So stay with us and follow everything whatever I direct to you. First of all guys, you have to open the Google Chrome web browser or any other web browser, whatever you wish, and then you will go Google search bar, and right now what you have to do, Vedantu teacher, Vedantu teachers. As you can see, the first option, Vedantu teachers, you have to click, and then you can see at the first online www.vedantu.com online teaching and tutoring jobs, tuition jobs Vedantu. You have to click on this, and then you can see this page. And if you scroll down, then you can see, first of all, everyone wanna know how much money earned from online. Yes guys, if you wanna to teach through online to the student, then you can earn from minimum 25,000, as you can see, per month. If you would give 4 hours per day, then you can easily earn 25,000 minimum up to 75,000 per month. And there are several process. If you see, then you can see there are 5 process. There are almost 5 process taken by Vedantu, and after that you will be a teacher on this platform. So first of all, you have to apply as a teacher. You have to apply by filling whatever form given by Vedantu. You have to fill up and then submit. And then second process would be initial screening, which would be taken by Vedantu experts. And if your form be selected, then the next process would be teaching demo. Whichever topic, whichever subject you choose on the form, you have to choose a particular topic as you wish, and then you have to teach to Vedantu's experts through webcam, and it would be online session. And after that, if you are selected, then fourth process would be teacher onboarding and training. Okay, after you select, then documentation and profile creation will be done, and then followed by training and induction webinar. And last, fifth would be online session. First, you would take first online session 1:1, and you would be teacher on this authentic platform. So this is very authentic platform. I know very well. This is very good platform. So at first you have to apply. You have to click apply now, and then one form you can see. You have to fill up everything, whatever you can see. First of all, you have to fill up your name, first name, last name, your gender, as well as email, phone number, your highest qualification, and you have to fill up your specialization, which you belonged in your college, and also your teaching experience would be matter on this platform. That's why you have to fill up. And the primary subject of teaching, which subject you wanna choose, you have to select this subject. Okay, such as mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology, phonics, and computer science, English, Hindi, Sanskrit, German, whichever you can wish. And next, yes, another option will be given by Vedantu, secondary subject of teaching, if any. It's not necessary to fill up this section. Yes, if you wish, then you can select whichever you have second subject. Okay, and next, yes, absolutely, next is which grade students you would love to teach. Okay, you have to choose, and which board you can handle. And next, yes, absolutely, hours per day. Okay, your available timing. According to your available timing, you would have chosen the timing section. Okay, and next, your current occupation, your date of birth. And this section, guys, is very important. Type of internet connection, download speed, upload speed, because whole of the process would be going on after selected as a teacher through online. Okay, whenever you do teach to your student, whole of the process would be going on through online. So that's why it's necessary a good internet speed. Okay, that's why you have to fill up this section carefully, and because it's very necessary. So that's why you have to fill up type of internet connection, download speed, upload speed, all of the things you have to fill up. And you have to give proof screenshot of your internet speed so that Vedantu platform can understand. And this section, you have to fill up your location and how did you come to know about Vedantu, and last of all your resume, and then you can submit the form. Okay, after submit the form, then the next process will be, after screening process I'm done, then the third process would be demo. Okay, and demo section, yes, which subject you choose, the particular topic, whichever it is totally up to you. You have to choose the topic and you teach at that point of time to Vedantu's expert. After the process complete, after the whole process will complete, then if you select, then the next process would be done by Vedantu, and the training process or documentation and everything would be done by Vedantu experts. And final process, you are selected as a teacher on Vedantu platform, and then the first session will be done as a 1:1. Okay, and you have, at that point of time, you have to teach your student. So this is whole process would be done by Vedantu, and it's very authentic source. That's why I briefly explain to you so that you can earn from online. And it's up to you guys. If you have a time, then you can give 4 hour, minimum 3 to 4 hour, then you can easily earn minimum 25,000 rupees from this site. And if you wish, then if you choose a full-time teacher, then you can earn up to 75,000 money from this site. It's very good to you guys. If you really want to teach, and if you really are passionate about that, then you can go this site and apply now. So this is all about whatever I discussed right now. I hope you enjoy this session.